Okay, this is the do or die game. Last round na yun ni. At ako sa kurot, ang mudaog mo yung parkas victory. And we'll be playing for a semi-final waiting ang team sa Manay. Then a championship game waiting dayon ang team sa Baron Game 1. Our feature referees are Mr. Java, Mr. Lagaran, and Mr. Mao.
Basta gapon din. Gusto ko ngangin ay. Ang gabi ka P-boy. Tagam.
Larga! Mora good yapon ang mudaog, takan highlights. Pero papel ang sa tulong.
Dagang gawa.
And first offense is for Mr. Simbahon. Simbahon to number 19, Lolo Ikape, then drive over for 2 points. Lolo. And advance to Minister now, drives, then drives. 20 to shoot. And foul.
Paul brother.
And a whistle for A. Johnson.
Oh.
Pagudyo for the inbound. Long inbound pass to Minister. And Minister now. 20-second shot clock. Minister to Aurelio. Oh, Tuksoy. Ito ang katimuling mga sirot. Inig manuskol o kiusalaan. O, si Pahon. Kung maray kwapo. Pero kwapo. Kung sapatos. Ibanez. Labat. 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 Yes, correct. 2 points. Luloy. Minister to Aurelio. Yes, correct. Lapas to Simbahon. Tapat. 2 points. Simbahon. Imora mo pagubas anak. Kanak pasan. Fifteen shot clock. Rodan for 3. Labat. And rebound. Goes to Pacunio. Ikape to Aurelio. Another fake. Take for 2. Labat. Labat for the rebound. Aurelio tidak beragay, pas turun dah. Dua-dua. Oh. Kami kagak masih penting sama kata sabut-sabutan tuh nih. Then to shoot. Dari apa ini dia? Lepas si Bahon masal. Wah itu masa balai. Ayo. May selain nabilin. Pakibayad pa kali. Pacunio. Pacunio pass to Minister. And Minister now. 15-second shot clock. And a whistle for a foul call. Well, the ball was still on the ground. A foul for jersey number 5. Illegal use of hands, Jakob. First personal foul, Jakob. First team foul, Gianston. Here comes interception. And a whistle for a jump ball out of position, Gianston. Jakob, intercept. Here comes Aurelio, in the guard, interception. Turnover. Was completed by Mr. Ibanez. And a whistle for a foul. A blocking foul. First personal foul, Palma. First team foul. 3 minutes and 41 seconds remaining time.
Papaya dulu, Paul na. Daan.
8-2. Tulong ang labaw. Minister and Minister pass to Pacunio. Back to Hooks. Sabi, Minister Giapon. 6 to shoot. Laga. Why? 10 to shoot. 7. 4 shot clock. 2. Shot clock by Richard.
Dugay kayo.
Palma. Ubas. 2 points. Palma. Delikado galing ni Bugno na bang panahon. Mga balbagwaan niya. Bulalo. Lamig yung kay ngay malaktan. Pacunio. Pass to Minister and round. Here comes Minister. Kapatanan.
Travel ba?
Ipit. Murag sandwich. Traveling by mission. Was committed by Mr. Minister.
Hala, uy. Bawas, hintay lang tres, ne?
Simbawang pass to Ibanez to Palma. Intercept down. Another opportunity for Ibanez. Ibanez. Pull up jumper. Oh, wala. Pull down for the rebound. Pass to Pacunio. And Pacunio rock train. Karta kanan. Ating silingan. 2 points. Pacunio. Long inbound pass. Simbawang to Yacob. And Yacob. For 2. Warta. Dahil yun yung mga veterano pa nun. Kaya pinajump shot na ba? Ganong ilusot may magsialan. 15 shot na. Pacunio to Minister. Minister to Aurelio. Tuldos na. Karga 2 points. Yacob. Ayaw kay Kusgan pasa. Kay 18 for the shot clock. Kini, nahin mo sayaw, ani. Rodahan. No good? Kanap, pagkain mo kuya. Boy kuya. Trabaho lang. And
Foul,
foul.
Sabia.
Shot clock back to 14. And foul is called. Jersey number 1, Palma. First personal foul. Here comes Minister. To 2. Now up. Yacob for the rebound. Enemies out for foul. As goal the ball was on here for jersey number 1. Illegal use of hands, Palma. Substitution ref. 2 personal fouls, Palma. 3 team fouls. 1 minute in 1. One point. May mga civic kunya ato ni silang ipagdaster. Pa civic. Para kita mo magdaster sardo. 1 point. Seconds to play. 2 points. Here comes Palma. Papa! And a result for a foul was called. No basket. Foul was called first when the ball was still on the ground. A foul for jersey number 4.
Kumukuhan lang siya.
Illegal use of hands, Rondahan. First personal foul, Rondahan. Warning for penalty. Nice intercept. Pacunio to Minister. Here comes Inuuba. And a foul was called. For jersey number 18, illegal use of hands, Simbahon. First personal foul, Simbahon, 3 team fouls, 37 seconds. Here comes Minister. Uh-oh! Sayang. Lista na na to sa highlights kung mapapalpa. Shout out, Malongis Vlog. Nagagawin ng kamera, mura pong kinuon. Ingkong, Basco Simbahon sa 3. Dalawa 3 points. Number shot clock, 15 seconds. Uh-oh!
Grabe.
Traveling violation, 8.8.